I can't sort of reiterate enough, speaking to your colleagues is just such the number one thing in this office. That's helped me massively, and somebody's always available to give a call or a message to say, like, I need some advice on how to handle the situation.
By giving people projects to do in line with the training that I give them, they get brand new knowledge that will last them for as long as they work in real estate.
They've become my family, like John, Gail, Pete, they're family. It's like, you know, this company is for me, it's like my own company. I own it.
I'm not here saying I'm the guru, you know, I can still learn. You know, this is why when new people come in, I'm like, go out with the likes of Roberto, Gil, myself, like the top valuing agents, ask, can I come on a valuation with you?
They're buying into my knowledge. They're buying into the years I've been doing this job in Dubai. They're buying into Espace. You know, we're a machine.
And that was pretty much what prompted me to join Espace, is the support network that you have here. And I just love being around hungry people. Where I sit, where there's Roberto and Arthur, and it's great because I hear them on the phone. And then I get really kind of inspired by what they say. I pick up, I even write things down. You know, that was a really good line. Oh my goodness, I'm using that.
And yeah, I mean, the experience that someone can get from sitting beside Gil, the sales director, I mean, that's second to none. You can't put a price on that. It's invaluable.
It really drives me. It drives you to see how hard the other person is working and how sincere and passionate they are to their jobs. And I think it kind of rubs off on each other. That's why you see so much collective success in the company.
So it's lovely to see this, like SAS now you turn around and see, like it's all, like there is no empty chair.